Alright guys, today we're going to replace the washer jet for this BMW Xdrive. So I just removed some trims, and I'm going to show you where is the washer jet and how to replace this rear wiper washer jets. So in order to remove the washer jet, you have to remove these screws here, and the rear spoiler. So this is the screws. So we just removed the cover for the rear spoiler. So if you want to remove your third brake light, you have to remove the rear spoiler cover. So this is the washer jet, that one. Now we're going to replace that with a new one. So if you're planning to remove or replace your washer jet or your third brake light, it's not just very difficult to remove this one, but I just have to remind you guys that this is a plastic part, so be careful. So this is the rear wiper washer jet. In order to remove this, just pull it out. Just be careful not to damage the washer hose. And this is the new one. So yeah, we're going to replace the washer jet. So now that we installed the new one, and now we're going to test if this one is gonna work. Yeah, definitely it's gonna work. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Just a friendly reminder, guys, if you are going to DIY this kind of car, make sure that you're not going to damage the plastic parts, and make sure to put back things together, okay?